After the tanks rode on the streets of Harare that day in November 2017, protesters demanding President Robert Gabriel see ouster carried placards, some of them praising the army and others praising the general Constantino Chiwenga individually. Sarabina mashoko brashtoka panguwa ino vanhu vachikomenda pamusoro pema-events which led to the coup. Nobody subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anotamira achiti while Sibusiso Moyo was the military face of the struggle, Chiwenga was hailed as the man who had given the order that Mugabe be stopped. More than 8 years later, the retired general, now one of the President Emerson Mnangagwa's lieutenants as vice president, is increasingly being sidelined as new names and faces appear from the dark corners, all being touted as Mnangagwa's possible end or preferred successors. Some of those have thrown jibes at Chiwenga, the man who had long been thought of as the automatic Mnangagwa successor, even as Kombo Mohadi is another vice president, touting his own while rubbishing the works and chances of others. Mnangagwa's rebels and overzealous blue-eyed boy Christopher Mchangwa has led the onslaught. Ironically, Mchangwa, who has lost every election he has contested since 2017 at both party and national level, has called Chiwenga unelectable, despite the fact that the general is yet to contest and lose an election at any level. On the other hand, Chiwenga, the highest ranking ZANU-PF leader to ever speak up against the allegedly corrupt individuals linked with Mnangagwa, has defiantly tried to build his own political profile by calling out Kananda and insisting that they be arrested. While Chiwenga, who has allegedly survived poisoning attempts as Mnangagwa did at the same party and government level, turn his fortunes around and be the man to succeed Mnangagwa. When push comes to shove, will Chiwenga do to Mnangagwa what Mnangagwa did to Mugabe in 2017? Tomashkano mudanyo kapangwa inye tuze mafungura imo tukudipa msope with the current situation around the ruling parties and PF. The comment section made him someone subscribe or like, shit on the bell icon.